This is a MrBeast thumbnail. This is my image. This is the thumbnail that I created by using my image. So let's learn how to make a thumbnail like MrBeast using AI. So let's get started. I am using this website Pikzels.com. You can find the link of the website in the description below. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of MrBeast. First download it. After that, I like this one. Download thumbnail. I am taking 3 examples. Okay, after that you need to click on face swap. Here you need to upload a thumbnail that you want to change your image with. I am uploading a thumbnail of MrBeast. I am taking this thumbnail as an example. Here you need to upload the image you want to swap with. Click on generate. It takes some time. Here you can see the results, and the results are amazing. As you can see, my image has swapped with MrBeast. You can simply download it from here. Now I am taking this thumbnail as an example. After that, click on generate. As you can see, my image has swapped. Let's try a last example. After uploading MrBeast thumbnail, now click on generate. As you can see, the results are amazing. You can simply download it. Wow, that looks amazing. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.